Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब viewers? Well, viewers, today we are in Mumbai and the shop that we are going to explore in today's episode is brand Hakoba. Okay, when I talk about Hakoba brand, I think it is loved by most of the crowd actually. And this shop, let me tell you where exactly in Mumbai is based. It is based out in Vile Parle West, Mumbai. And they have, I think, let me introduce first of all, we have with us Vishal ji. So, welcome back. Welcome to Metro Heights, Vishal ji.
Hi, Athar.
And this is their first video on our channel, Metro Heights. So, we wish him all the very best.
Thank you.
And viewers, please support them. And since they're getting added to Metro Heights bandwagon for the very first time. So, viewers, let's get to know about brand Hakoba first. So, Vishal ji, so could you throw some light on your brand?
Hi, Athar. Firstly, welcome
Hi.
to our shop, Hakoba.
Thank you.
Pleasure to have you. So, Hakoba is a heritage brand.
Mhm.
It's a very, very old brand. It's a legacy brand.
Mm-hmm.
And it's basically known for embroidered products,
Mhm.
chicken embroidery, shifli embroidery.
Mm-hmm.
So, अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि it has become synonymous to embroidery. और पानी को बिस्लरी बोलते हैं, वैसे
Yeah.
embroidery को Hakoba बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
So, but let me clarify, the market में बहुत सारे आपको embroidery बेचने वाले मिलेंगे,
Mhm.
but genuine and authentic fabric
Mhm.
and material you will get at the brand only, which
Mhm.
is at our store or
Okay.
online.
Okay.
So, Hakoba is the original brand which sells the original Shifli embroidery.
So basically, you are into manufacturing also, no?
Yes, we manufacture our own products.
Your own
and
products.
yes.
Okay. So they have their factory outlet, I think, in the outskirts of Mumbai.
Yeah, no,
And
it is in Mumbai.
within
It is
Mumbai also,
it
and
is
I
in
think
Goregaon.
Goregaon. All
Yeah,
right.
and we have multiple stores across Mumbai and
Okay.
Gujarat.
So they have multiple outlets across Mumbai and
Yes,
Gujarat.
yes.
Okay. Where in Gujarat?
In Gujarat, it is in Ahmedabad and Baroda.
Hmm.
And
In Mumbai?
Mumbai, it is in Vile Parle West.
So where we are shooting
we
now.
are right
So we
now.
are in the heart of the city, viewers,
Yes.
Mumbai. So Vile Parle is a very prime location. Let me tell you, we are just opposite Mithibai College, NM College, okay, and just next to
Vile Parle
Bank of
Station.
India, Vaman Hari Bete Jewelers, okay. So we are in the very prime location of Mumbai, Vile Parle West, okay. I think Mumbaikars are already aware. So those who don't know about this shop, I mean people who are visiting from other states or other cities, so they can kindly pay a visit to this store, okay, if they want to. Else you can shop online from any corner of the world, okay.
Online,
And
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp, yes, all the facilities,
store,
you know,
yes.
buying portals are available. Okay, so viewers, before we actually kick off, few common things quickly. I will introduce you. COD option is available, okay, but with a charge. It's a negligible amount actually,
Yes.
you can say, which is non-refundable, and that is paid to the third party basically. So so retail and wholesale, both the buying options are open. Okay, so Vishalji, when I say wholesale, so what is the buying criteria in wholesale?
For wholesale, we'll need one set minimum per design. We'll need one full set. Our
Okay, that
set-
will have how many sizes?
It has M to 4XL.
M to 4XL, that means 38 to 46.
Yes.
Okay, so
six
one
sizes.
plus size is included in the size chart. Sounds good.
Yes.
And suppose if they want an assortment, so are you open to sell in assortment
We're
also?
open. We can look forward to it.
Okay. Anyway, so retail buying option is very much available. B2B, B2C, both are available. Resellers also can join their broadcast list and they can sell it at a very decent margin. Since they are manufacturers, I think we are going to get very competitive rates. So be rest assured about it. And no refund, no exchange policy, viewers, which every store has, so does this. So please adhere to the rules and regulations of the business. Parcel opening videos at any point of time is mandatory. In case if you come across any kind of defect, please highlight it with the support of a parcel opening video, uncut, unedited, 360 degrees, and highlight it within a span of 7 working days. Okay, else it becomes very difficult for the seller to keep a track of your complaints. All right, so I'm done with almost all the points. So delivery bahar bhi hogi India ke, huh? Delivery is across the globe.
Yes.
ओके, अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. जो जहां भी मेट्रो हाइट्स के व्यूवर्स हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं और ऑलरेडी हैं, तो प्लीज ये पॉइंट नोट करें. आप कहीं भी आप हैं, आपका प्रोडक्ट वहां पर पहुंच जाएगा. ठीक है.
Minimum shipping charge.
मिनिमम शिपिंग चार्ज. शिपिंग विल बी पेड एट एक्चुअल्स. So shipping is not free. ठीक है. So I think let's get started. I think we have covered almost all the points. Still
We
अगर कुछ
just missed out
बचेगा.
on stores in Bombay. We have one in Villaparle West, one in Villaparle East.
अच्छा Vilaypalli East Nehru Road ना?
Yes. No, it's very close by to the station.
Close to
Nehru
the
Road पे
station.
ही है.
Okay.
And we have a store in Borivali also,
Okay.
and one in Kolaba as well.
अच्छा Colaba also.
Yes.
Where in Colaba?
It's on the Kolaba Causeway Road.
Causeway Road. अरे
Yes.
वाह. तो चलो let's get started.
Sure.
एक-एक करके देखेंगे viewers. आज हम देखेंगे हकोबा वर्क. हकोबा वर्क आई थिंक इनके यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था. ऐसा मुझे
Yes.
सुनने को मिला है इनसे
Yes.
कि हमारे यहाँ से शुरुआत हुई थी. हकोबा वर्क तो आप जानते ही हैं. जब आप चिकनकारी देखते हैं तो जो हकोबा वर्क आता है तो वो यहाँ पर बहुत पॉपुलर है इनके यहाँ. तो हम 2 पीस देखेंगे, कॉट सेट्स देखेंगे, 3 पीस सूट्स देखेंगे, साड़ीज देखेंगे. ठीक है, बहुत कुछ देखेंगे. तो बने रहिए पूरे. फैब्रिक्स भी देखेंगे. तो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड. चलिए. We are going to first check out their cord sets. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So this is a beautiful light sky blue color cord set.
Yeah.
Perfect for the summers.
Yes.
Easy breezy freestyle.
And high-low pattern
High-low pattern.
with
high
the
in the
box
front.
pleat in the front
Box pleat with a nice
with
lace.
crochet laces. And this is all Hakoba work. I tell you, viewers, this is all Hakoba work. You can see this. This is all Hakoba work, and the neckline also has this crochet laces. And what is the fabric, Vishal?
This is cotton fabric.
Cotton. Is it blender or pure cotton?
This is pure cotton.
Pure cotton. Okay. And show the reverse side also. How does it look? Okay. It has a plain back side.
It has a plain back side.
Okay. And elasticated pants.
Elasticated.
No,
matching-
half band, half elastic.
Yes. So this
And
is half elastic.
yes, these are the pants. Okay. Nice color. And priced at?
So this is priced at just 2195.
2195. All right. And shipping is additional.
Yes.
And the sizes are 38 to 46.
30 to 46.
Okay.
Medium to 4XL.
And for example, if somebody is interested in bulk buying, okay, and they want plus sizes also, so is it possible for you to, make it available? Like,
so,
if they're asking for 48 size, 50 size or 52 size, so is it possible to
so if we have the fabric available in stock, then we can look into it.
look into it? Okay.
But, yeah.
Okay. So we are not going to reveal wholesale prices, viewers, purely due to business reasons. So जो prices बताए जाएंगे इस वीडियो में purely retail prices, okay, single piece price. So article number 2.
So next is also again a beautiful cord set.
Okay, salmon pink color.
Salmon pink. It has a jacket attachment.
Okay,
this
so it's a shrug style.
Yeah, it's
actually.
not a separate jacket. It is attached.
It's attached only, but it's giving a look of a shrug actually,
Yeah.
long
So
shrug.
it's a very full
Yeah.
work,
Easy breezy.
easy breezy.
And round neck, and here you will find Hakoba work. So I think when we say brand Hakoba, so obviously Hakoba तो होना ही है हर
Yes.
आर्टिकल पे. तो ये सारा Hakoba work है viewers आप जो देख रहे हैं. हाँ?
So and this comes with the contrast white pants.
This is very beautiful, huh? So you have contrast pants in white, off-white color. I can say it's
Yeah,
not
it's-
pure white;
yeah.
it's off-white actually. So people always, say, Athar, please be specific about whites, whether it's ivory white or off-white or milky white. So it's off-white actually.
Yes.
All right. So all right. What's the price?
This is priced at 3495.
3495. And
Yes.
viewers, let me tell you something. Sizes are going to remain constant. So I will not be announcing prices every now and then. Please pay attention. The sizes are from 38 to 46 in all the categories. Okay.
I would also like to mention all our pants come in this form.
Okay.
in the
Elasticated
front
and band.
and band. So it's
Good.
convenient for everyone to wear with a clipping on the side.
All
and there's
right.
also a zip attachment on the pants.
On the pants. Good.
Yeah.
All right. Acha. Beautiful color. It's giving a look of this khadi. Actually, it's cotton flex.
It's actually a jute material.
Jute material.
We're promoting these fabrics as well.
Jute material, jute cotton. So it's on the lines of cotton flex. I think it's more than cotton flex actually. Okay, and it comes with this box pleat, and this is all Hakoba work, viewers. Hakoba work. Sleeves दिखाइए विशाल. Sleeves तो बड़ी stylish है.
Yeah, these are different kind of sleeves.
Beautiful. And show the back side. Okay, plain.
No, back is also.
No, I mean
embroidered.
the
Yeah,
styling is
yeah,
plain.
Styling is.
Okay. So show the bottoms.
Okay, this comes with a matching pant,
Okay.
and it has some lace attachment on the bottom.
Okay. So comfort fit bottoms.
Yes,
I can say that.
It's a
With a-
relaxed fit.
Fabric is too good. I'm telling you, viewers. Fabric is very good. Pure cotton. So it's a blessing, in summers.
Yeah, it's perfect
Good.
for summers.
So what's the price?
This is priced at 2900.
2900. Okay. Fine.
So that's again a beautiful cord set
Okay.
in a nice pink, very different salmon pink color.
Hmm. Yes. So this is all Hakoba, viewers.
It's a beautiful neckline
Beautiful,
embroidery.
beautiful, beautiful. And it comes in short length, I think. Huh? That's
Yeah,
the
this
beauty
is
of it
short
actually,
length.
because it's a cord set. And show the pant. Again, pure cotton. Pure cotton. The cotton fabric is too good, huh, viewers? Yeah. Price
So this
price
is priced as 2690.
2690.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Next.
So next up is again a cord set. It's a beautiful light green, different color.
So I think again cotton.
It's again cotton, perfect for summers.
Perfect for
Very
summers.
soft. So our cotton atar is very special cotton. It's a premium cotton.
Yeah, that's I can.
Yeah,
I
you'll
can see
feel the
that.
difference in
Yeah, I can
the-
vouch,
when-
huh,
when
viewers.
you-
I can vouch for the
when
fabric
you touch
because this is, I think, Bombay cotton, I believe.
Hmm.
Okay, and Bombay cotton is very popular across the globe. So people die for Bombay cottons actually. So look at the crochet work and look at the puffy sleeves, viewers, balloon sleeves. I can say bishop sleeves, and it comes with collar, and this has lace detailing on all the sides corners. Huh?
So this is priced at 2500.
2500.
It comes
And
with the matching.
it comes with the matching pant. Fabric is too good, yaar. And look at the, okay, this is half band, half elastic.
Yes.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So I think on Metro Heights, most of the people, I think they are fond of pastel shades, I think. So I think you guys are lucky that you are getting to see
Next
all
up is
pastel
also a
shades.
pastel.
I know. So we have a lot of, pastel shade lovers on our channel. No doubt, I think it's a mixed kind of crowd. So viewers, it comes with the lurex. Okay, and this is Hakoba embroidery. Okay, this is Hakoba embroidery. ऐसा सीधा रखना है इसको विशाल, सीधा सीधा रखना, राइट एंगल में नहीं, इधर रखो टेबल पे, यहाँ पर रखो, ऐसे, हाँ, ऐसे, ऐसे,
Okay.
हाँ, this way. ये देखिए. So this is the look of the article. Look at the sleeves and look at the pants. He will pull out the pants for us. Pants दिखाना विशाल. Yes. So pants में भी ल्यूरेक्स बड़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी का है व्यूअर्स. मतलब एक मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, एक ल्यूरेक्स होता है कि लगता है कि ये निकल जाएगा बाहर थोड़े दिनों में वॉश के बाद, लेकिन ये ल्यूरेक्स जो है ना, इनबिल्ट है पूरा, वीव्ड है पूरा. ये देखिए, ठीक है. I forgot.
So this was 3495.
3495.
Yes.
All right.
So next up is again a cord set,
Mm-hmm.
but it has some embroidery and some brush painting, hand print.
Brush paint is very trending these days
Yes.
actually. And this is Cora cotton.
Yes.
This is Cora cotton, and it comes with a lining also.
Yeah.
Okay. And look at this. Butterscotch color, I can say. And it comes with V-neck with slight, muted crochet laces color. And look at the Hakoba work. ये Hakoba work है सारा. ये देखो, ये सारा Hakoba work है. आप बोलोगे कहाँ है, तो it's tone to tone embroidery actually. ठीक है? और ये रहा इसका
It
pants.
comes with a matching pant with the
Matching
same
pants.
print.
लेकिन पैंट्स पे हकोबा नहीं है, सिर्फ लेसेस का काम है. टॉप पे हकोबा वर्क है. बता दूं मैं आपको फिर से, ये रहा हकोबा वर्क. ओके, एंड रिवर्स साइड दिखाइए इसका. रिवर्स साइड में भी हकोबा वर्क है, टोन टू टोन थ्रेड से. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द आर्टिकल. नाइस. व्हाट इज द साइज एंड प्राइस? सॉरी, प्राइस.
This is priced at 2995.
Sizes are available from 38 to 46 in general, all the categories. ठीक है. Next.
So this is a digital print embroidered cord set.
Cotton ना?
Cotton. This is pure cotton.
अच्छा, इसमें कहीं कहीं में ना पानी सीक्वेंस दिया गया है लेसेस के ऊपर. यस, गुड.
So this has lace detailing on the bottom and also on the neckline.
All right.
And it comes with a matching pants.
Pants.
Let me pull that out for you.
Okay, these are the pants. Good, nice print.
Yeah. So this is priced at 3300.
All right. Next.
So now we'll show you the three pieces. This is a three-piece set.
Okay.
Comes with the kurta, dupatta, and bottom.
So this is Chanderi, na?
No, this is cotton.
This is cotton.
This is
okay.
pure cotton.
This is pure cotton. So this is all Hakoba work, huh? And fancy buttons के साथ आएगा और इस तरह का neck line है इसका and show the
ये
dupatta.
दुपट्टा है, दुपट्टा में भी there's a lot of work.
Hakoba work and lurex running all over. ठीक है, across the dupatta.
Yeah.
And sleeves के ऊपर इस तरह का detailing है. Organza है कि net है?
This is net.
नेट के ऊपर एम्ब्रॉयडरी की गई है टू मेक इट वेरी फैंसी ठीक है. सो दिस इज मस्टर्ड येलो कलर एंड पैंट्स इस तरह की रहेगी मैचिंग में और हेम पे इसका डिटेलिंग रहेगा नेट का. ठीक है. प्राइस
So this is priced at 4995.
4995.
Yes.
All right. Next.
Set.
Again a three piece.
Again a three-piece pink color, perfect.
Fabric.
Pink fabric is cotton,
Cotton.
pure cotton, perfect for summers again.
Okay. So again this is Hakoba work or what?
Yeah, this is everything is Hakoba.
अच्छा even this is Hakoba?
Yes, yes.
अच्छा. So,
So we also have a tag for premium. This is all premium cotton,
certified वाला.
certified. Yes.
Okay, Premia is a certification as we have वो कौन सा एक रहता है ना certification?
Liva.
Liva certified.
So this we certify
This
as
is Premia
premium cotton.
certified. All right. अच्छा मेरे को एक बात बताओ, हकोबा का मतलब ये नहीं होता है ना जो उसमें होल होता है फिर एम्ब्रॉयडरी होती है उसको हकोबा नहीं, मतलब हकोबा ये भी होता है.
ये भी होता है, वो भी होता है.
वो भी होता
Yeah, it's a basically kind of embroidery.
है. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी.
तो वो भी होल वाली भी embroidery है, which we'll show you later.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. नहीं हमने देखी थी अभी रेडीमेड्स में देखी थी, लेकिन ये मुझे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है, ये भी हकोबा है ना.
Yes.
ठीक है.
So this comes with a dupatta,
ओके.
which again has work.
या नाइस दुपट्टा. हाँ. ये डॉबी है क्या?
हाँ, this is Dobby with
Dobby में
lyrics.
है.
Yes.
एंड ल्यूरेक्स की लाइंस है और इस तरह का देखिए कॉर्नर्स में ना पैचिंग है. जरा दुपट्टा खोल के दिखाना आप तो आइडिया लगेगा. तो व्यूअर्स ये देखिए दुपट्टा डॉबी में है, पूरा बॉडी पे ल्यूरेक्स रन कर रहा है. व्यूअर्स मैं सारी डिटेलिंग दे रहा हूँ, प्लीज बेयर विथ मी. आप लोग बोलोगे अथर बहुत बोलता है, बट आई हैव टू से बिकॉज डिटेलिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये रहा चारों कोने में पैचेस और पूरा हकोबा वर्क है साइड्स में. ठीक है, गुड. एंड प्राइस फिर से
Price is 4995.
4995. All right, pure cotton. Next.
So this is again a three-piece set.
Okay, three piece set.
Again, there's full work on the front panel.
ये देखिए viewers.
This is again pure cotton. It comes with a contrast dupatta. With scallop dupatta है इसमें.
All right. ठीक है.
And similar matching pants. With detailing on the bottom.
So this is the look, and this is all Hakoba work. And look at the dupatta, pure cotton, na?
Pure cotton, yes.
Pure cotton.
This is the contrast.
This is the contrast dupatta. Scalloping के साथ.
Scallop, yeah.
Scallop borders. ठीक है. और स्कैल्पिंग पे भी ना व्यूअर्स अच्छी एम्ब्रॉयडरी की गई है, ऐसा ही नहीं कि खाली स्कैल्प कर दिया है. ठीक है. तो बिस्किट कलर में है व्यूअर्स ये.
This you'll get for 3000.
3000. All right. Next.
So this is one of my personal favorites, perfect for the summer. It's a shaded
ombre dyed.
ombre dyed.
Okay, so
Simple
देखो लाइट से
embroidery.
थोड़ा डार्क फिर और डार्क
Yes.
है ना. सो दिस इज 3 कलर्स में ओम्ब्रे हुआ है इसका फिनिशिंग.
Yeah.
गुड.
And it has a same
दुपट्टा ओम्ब्रे डाइड दुपट्टा
ombre
इन
dyed,
शिफॉन
Yeah.
एंड लेसेस आएगी बारीक वाली. ठीक है. और ये इसका अच्छा है, आर्टिकल अच्छा लगा मुझे. प्योर कॉटन में व्यूअर्स ये भी. और ये रहा इसका बॉटम कौन सा फैब्रिक है, रेयॉन है क्या?
Yeah, this is rayon.
दिस इज रेयॉन. ओके. तो बॉटम फैब्रिक इज रेयॉन बट गुड क्वालिटी रेयॉन. वो जो केजीज आता है ना रेयॉन में वो है व्यूअर्स, कुछ अच्छा केजीज में आता है.
Yeah.
और नीचे ये सारा हकोबा वर्क है स्कैलप के साथ. और ये बटन डिटेलिंग भी है व्यूअर्स. और प्लैकेट स्टाइल फ्रंट में है, गैदर्स भी है. देखिए नीचे हल्का सा गैदर दिया हुआ, ज्यादा गैदर्स नहीं है, हल्के गैदर्स हैं. और बैक साइड दिखाइए इसका. बैक साइड भी ओम्ब्रे में फिनिशिंग है. ठीक है. प्राइस
3165.
3165. ये साइड में रख देना ये वाला उसके साथ. नेक्स्ट.
So next again we have a three-piece suit.
This is awesome.
Yeah,
This is
this is-
awesome. I mean to say this is mind blowing article viewers. This is in I believe this is Chanderi, na?
Yeah, this is Chanderi.
This
But
is Chanderi cotton.
yeah, this is Chanderi cotton, but it's a very soft
Soft one.
finish. Yeah.
It's not that typical जो stiff fabric
No.
लोग poly वाला लेके आ जाते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं चंदेरी है, वैसा नहीं है.
नहीं.
This is cotton chanderi and this is certified fabric.
So Athar, I like to clarify, all
Yeah.
our fabrics are very soft finish,
Very soft, huh?
smooth.
Okay.
It is ideal for summer.
Skin friendly.
Skin friendly. No one will have any complaint
Very good.
regarding color or feel or
Yeah.
finish.
So I think they have been in the market from last 30 years and he is the second generation viewers. So I think, brand value also plays a very important role. Huh? So when it comes to buying from Hakoba, so you be rest assured about the quality.
Yes.
Quality is going to be a very decent one. So no problem at all. So if you want to visit and check out the categories of suits, you may do so. Else you can shop online from any corner of the world. Okay, that's our main objective. So viewers, इसका डिजाइन मुझे इतना प्यारा लगा. ये देखिए इसका जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी है ना हकोबा का, ये बर्फी जाल में दिया गया है और बीच में फ्लावर दिया गया है ना, प्यारा सा लग रहा है और बहुत ही सोबर है. मुझे सोबर में ये कैटेगरी में बहुत अच्छा लगा सूट. व्हाट अबाउट यू व्यूअर्स, क्या सोचना है आपका? अगर पसंद है तो फटाफट ग्रैब कीजिए ये. और
दुपट्टा इज अ डिजिटल
प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा है विद लूपी लेसेस ऑल ओवर और नीचे भी कुछ एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. ये भी हकोबा है ना? Okay.
The pant is a simple
Okay. Comfort fit pants.
comfort fit pants. Yes.
Good. Price?
Price for this is 4290.
4290. There's one very important announcement that was skipped by me, and that is very very important announcement. Please pay attention. जो भी प्राइजेस बताए जा रहे हैं व्यूवर्स वो होंगे रिटेल प्राइजेस, लेकिन कहानी में ट्विस्ट है. ट्विस्ट क्या है व्यूवर्स? वो ये ट्विस्ट है कि आपको जो प्राइजेस अनाउंस किए गए हैं उस पे फर्दर डिस्काउंट्स मिलेंगे. ठीक है, जो प्राइजेस बताएंगे वो एक ऐसा नहीं कि वही प्राइस पे आपको सेल करेंगे, लेकिन इनके ये रिटेल प्राइजेस हैं, लेकिन हमारे व्यूअर्स को ये ऑफर मिलने वाला है और ये ऑफर वैलिड है पूरा मार्च, अप टू 31st of March दिस ऑफर्स आर वैलिड. ठीक है, अब बाद में वैलिड होगा या नहीं, दैट डिपेंड्स सोनली ऑन द शॉप ओनर. ठीक है, वेदर ही वांट्स टू गिव फर्दर डिस्काउंट्स और नॉट आफ्टर मार्च, बट स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द मंथ ऑफ मार्च फाइनेंशियल ईयर एंड ही इज ऑफरिंग major discounts up to 30%. So depending on the category of the suits, तो आपको जो भी प्राइस बताएंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर सर ने बोला कि इसका प्राइस है 3000, तो 3000 पे कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट अवेलेबल रहेगा. वो आपको जानने को मिलेगा जब आप फोन करके क्वेरी करेंगे.
Yes.
ठीक है, सो डिस्काउंट्स आर अवेलेबल. तो ये मत सोचिए ये प्राइसेस है तो इसी में मिलेगा, इससे कम में मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Alright. Suit.
यस, 3-piece सूट पे आ गए हम. पेस्टल ग्रीन,
This is again cotton finish.
कॉटन फिनिश, वेरी नाइस. हकोबा वर्क ऑल ओवर. ये नीचे की एम्ब्रॉयडरी बड़ी अच्छी है कॉन्ट्रास्ट में. हेमलाइन बहुत अच्छी है इसकी, बहुत अच्छी हेमलाइन है.
Also on the neckline.
Yeah, neckline is also very good. Gorgeous, हाँ, gorgeous suit. दिखने में लग रहे थे पता नहीं बड़े सिंपल से, जब बाहर आए ना हैंगर से तब इनकी कदर मालूम पड़ रही है कि कितने खूबसूरत है ये. इसकी स्लीव्स दिखाइए जरा विशाल.
Yeah.
Look at the sleeves detailing viewers. Beautiful combination of colors, thread colors used on the pastel green. It's going very well. All right, and these are the pants, elasticated half and half band, and this is the dupatta. दुपट्टा जरा खोल के बताइएगा. फुल लेंथ दुपट्टा. ठीक है, बॉर्डर्स पे थोड़ी सी इसी प्रिंटिंग है. ठीक है. प्राइस?
Price for this is 3165.
3165.
Yes. But as you mentioned, we have
या
offers
अब
going on.
3165 है तो इस पे ऑफर रहेगा कुछ ना कुछ.
Yeah.
या तो वो 10% डिस्काउंट होगा, 20% भी हो सकता है, अप टू 30% हो सकता है. ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर फैब्रिक एंड क्वालिटी. सॉरी, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सेगमेंट एक्चुअली.
So next up is again a three-piece suit. This is perfect for Eid, Ramadan, or any other Hindu festival as well. Because
Modal,
it's- this is Chanderi cotton.
Chanderi cotton, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
But again, as you feel it, it's very soft.
It's very soft,
The
and
finishing
this
is
is
very
all
soft.
Hakoba work.
Yeah,
This
this
is
is
all
pure
Hakoba work. So,
So this you can wear for any occasion, for any party,
hmm,
for a casual outing.
hmm.
The dupatta also has a lot of embroidery work done with a lace finish.
So do you mean to say that you are the pioneers in Hakoba work?
Yes, we are.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So it's a privilege to have them on our channel Metro Heights viewers, and you can proudly say that हमने वहां से लिया जहां पर Hakoba शुरुआत हुआ था. Okay? So these are the bell pants.
These are the bell pants.
Bell pants, bell
Flare
bottoms.
on the flare on the bottom.
ठीक है, हल्का सा शरारा का लुक देगा जब
Yeah.
पहनोगे आप लोग. ठीक है, और ये रहा इसका फुल्ली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड हकोबा एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड दुपट्टा इन ऑर्गेन्जा, आई बिलीव. इज इट?
Yeah.
Yes, organza, soft organza, and laces on both the side, on all the four sides.
Yes.
All right. Price?
Price for this is 5595.
5595. Yes.
But again, these are special sets. We have good offers going on these.
हम्म,
इस पे आपको 30% ऑफ भी मिल जाएगा
ठीक है.
for
तो
this
जो भी
particular style.
आर्टिकल बता रहे हैं व्यूअर्स, जो भी प्राइस बता रहे हैं उस पे फर्दर डिस्काउंट्स मिलेंगे आपको, याद रखना ये चीज.
So next up is a three-piece suit again. This
अच्छा,
is
वो रीजन पता है क्या है व्यूअर्स, हम क्यों नहीं डिस्काउंट बता रहे हैं? क्योंकि जो होलसेल बाय करेंगे उन्हें प्रॉब्लम ना आए, इसीलिए हमें ये चीज बहुत मेंटेन करना पड़ती है. क्योंकि अगर होलसेल बाय करेंगे लोग तो उन्हें प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए. दे शुड नॉट फॉल इन प्रॉब्लम, है ना. इसीलिए हम लोग रिटेल रेट्स बता रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको ऑफर जरूर मिलेंगे, डिस्काउंट्स. ठीक है, ये देखिए फैब्रिक कौन सा है ये?
this is modal.
मोडाल, मसलिन मोडाल.
Muslin modal, yeah.
ओके, सो दिस इज प्योर मसलिन मोडाल, नॉट दैट स्टिफ वन व्यूअर्स जो हमेशा मैं अनाउंस कर देता हूँ कि ये सेमी है, सेमी है. ये सेमी नहीं है, ठीक है. और ये लेसेस से सजाया गया पूरा ड्रेस, और ये पूरा हकोबा वर्क है. हाँ, और ये लेसेस है पैनल पे, और ये भी लेसेस है नेकलाइन पे. एंड ऑर्गेन्जा का सॉफ्ट दुपट्टा विद पैचिंग ऑन टू साइड्स. ठीक है.
I'll just show the dupatta.
एंड शो द रिवर्स साइड. या रिवर्स इज
Reverse is
प्लेन,
plain.
बट द फैब्रिक इज ऑसम. ऑसम.
The sleeves.
या. एंड
So दुपट्टा पे मैचिंग ये वर्क दिया गया है.
yeah, yes.
एंड पैंट्स में भी ये सिमिलर वर्क दिया गया है.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's the complete look.
Good. Good. Next,
So this is priced at 5495.
5495, because
Yeah.
it's a pure muslin modal fabric, and offers available, discount offers available. ठीक है.
So
What is
next
this
up,
fabric?
This is again modal.
muslin modal.
modal, yeah.
ठीक है. Premia certified.
Yeah, this is the premium.
Look at this. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful color, navy blue color, I can say. And dupatta is in organza. This is all hakoba work. And show the pants. कुछ ना कुछ डिटेलिंग है हर जगह. दुपट्टे में भी डिटेलिंग है, पैंट्स में भी डिटेलिंग है. ओके, हाफ बैंड हाफ इलास्टिक. प्राइस?
This is the dupatta.
या मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब पैचेस लगाए गए.
So this is priced at 6495.
ये 6495.
Yes, but on this we have 30% off.
30% ऑफ.
Yes.
ओके, सो हर सूट कुछ कहता है व्यूवर्स. हाँ, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. गुड. दिस इज ब्लैक.
This is black.
Again, which modal muslin?
Yeah.
Okay. This is pure modal muslin, viewers. Okay, this is pure modal muslin, and it's a very cool fabric. Don't think कि modal muslin है तो थोड़ा गर्माएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. अच्छा, इसमें अंदर लाइनिंग की जरूरत नहीं है ना विशाल? लाइनिंग की जरूरत नहीं है
नहीं,
ना?
इसमें नहीं है.
ठीक है.
This is not see through.
ओके, गर्म भी नहीं होगा.
नहीं, this is
Cool
very
fabric.
very breathable.
Breathable. ठीक है. So this is the look of the article, and this is the dupatta with patching and organza. Okay, and this is all hakoba work. Pants half elastic half band, और pants जो है I think shantoon है क्या? Shantoon. Okay.
So this again there's some work on the bottom.
या अच्छा shantoon है व्यूवर्स. ये shantoon में भी varieties होती है, qualities. हाँ, अच्छा shantoon है ये. Good.
So this is priced at 5495.
ठीक है. 5495. Again, discount is available.
Yeah, on this,
30%.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now this is
Now we'll move to some one pieces. This plain kurta. This is a crochet fabric.
very colorful. Very colorful. Let me tell you, viewers, this is very colorful.
Crochet fabric and digital print on it.
These are chantilly laces. These are all chantilly laces, and ये हकोबा काम का है इधर.
हकोबा काम इसमें मतलब ये itself हकोबा का काम का ही
अच्छा.
लेस है. पूरा ये फैब्रिक ही हकोबा है.
अच्छा, ये पूरा फैब्रिक ही हकोबा है.
हाँ.
ओके ओके. ये देखिए अंदर मल गॉर्डन की लाइनिंग दी गई, लेकिन है बड़ा प्रिटी है ना?
Yeah.
और प्राइस क्या है इसका?
Back is also same. This is priced at 2790.
All right.
So next is also a single piece kurta, one piece kurta. Again crochet fabric all over, front and back.
फ्रंट एंड बैक, यस, पूरा क्रोशिया लेसेस से भरा
Yeah.
हुआ है. दिस अगेन इज हकोबा ना?
Yeah. So
Okay.
crochet fabric we refer to as hakoba only because this is the fabric we make at a factory as well.
Okay, okay. So this is durable ना?
Yeah.
Okay. और अंदर लाइनिंग आएगी.
Yes.
And
this
the
comes
fabric
with
is
lining.
कोरा कॉटन. लाइनिंग जो आएगी पूरी कोरा कॉटन की होगी व्यूअर्स. एंड ये पैचिंग भी पूरा कोरा कॉटन का किया गया. यहाँ पर कुछ मिरर डिटेलिंग है एंड हकोबा वर्क वंस अगेन. Very nice kurti viewers. So you can pair it with your denims, you can pair it with your parallels if you're having any color matching or contrast color, and you're ready to go.
So this is priced just at 2195.
2195. All right. Next.
Next up is a pink color kurta.
Wow.
It's a single piece kurta.
This is full hakoba.
Yeah.
No space left for,
There's a beautiful
for not
work
having hakoba
on
work. All the sleeves are like this with cut work. And ये भी
Le-
hakoba ही बोलते
yeah,
हैं.
yeah, that's
शिफली
lace.
किसको बोलते हैं फिर?
Shifli is hakoba.
अच्छा, शिफली is hakoba.
Yes.
Okay.
Shifli embroidery is hakoba.
शिफली एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज हकोबा.
Mhm.
ओके, तो हकोबा के वेरिएंट्स बहुत हैं.
Yes.
Ah.
Exactly what as I mentioned in the beginning, embroidery को ही अब hakoba बोलने लग गए हैं. So it is used very loosely now. So your viewers are now educated with what is actual
Yeah,
hakoba.
so I think he is the master, champion in hakoba. So I think he knows better than me. So I think thanks for clarifying, because I thought shifli is different and hakoba is different, and I was under the impression that hakoba is only done on georgettes.
No. It is done on all kinds of fabrics. We
Okay,
do,
it can be done on all the
Yeah, we do it on denims also.
denims also. Wow.
Yeah.
So please come out with denims also. Yeah.
Yeah, we are planning to.
In coming days. So viewers, depending on your response, how good you respond to this particular episode. So going forward, he might come up with some good designs, good colors, more contemporary designs, I can say. Huh? So चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं.
This is priced at 1995.
1995. Okay.
This is again a kurta.
This is again a kurta with some cut
Yeah.
in the front, and this is all embroidery, hakoba embroidery. This comes with the lining, I believe.
Yeah. This
And what is the fabric? This is cotton voile, ना?
This is cotton voile.
तो जो भी हम ये वाली पीसेस देखे ना, सिंगल पीसेस जो जहां पर फुली हकोबा है व्यूअर्स, वो पूरा कॉटन वॉइल फैब्रिक है. ठीक है.
This is priced at 1795.
All right. Let's move to whites.
Yeah. This is hakoba is known for whites.
I know.
So we like to.
You
show
can never
some-
go wrong with white
Yeah.
and black.
This is a beautiful embroidery.
So this is shifli or hakoba, whatever you term it, and this is the mandarin neck. And buttons are not openable, I believe, na? Or is it? It is openable.
No,
These
it is
are openable.
openable. It is
Okay,
openable,
great. Normally क्या होता है viewers, खाली स्टाइलिंग के लिए दिया रहता है, लेकिन ये पूरा खुल जाएगा. अगर आप खोल के पहनना चाहते हैं, अंदर कुछ पहनना चाहते हो, you can use it as open also. अंदर टी शर्ट पहन लें लॉन्ग एंड निकल पड़े. Very nice. Milky white color. What's the price?
This is priced at 2195.
2195. All right. Next. So we're going to check out some sarees, viewers, in chiffon.
No, these are dress materials.
Dress materials. Okay.
Yes. First we'll show you dress materials,
Okay.
then sarees.
Okay. Fine.
So this is a three-piece dress material,
Border sequence के साथ.
border sequence and full hakoba embroidery.
ठीक है.
And there is some sequence.
2.5 मीटर, 7.5 मीटर in all.
2.5 meter kurta ka and 2.25 for dupatta and bottoms.
Tell me something. Do you offer stitching facility?
We do. We at our Goregaon facility we have a designer and a master and a tailor.
Oh, that's.
So if you visit our Goregaon store, you'll get all
Sounds
the
good.
facilities there.
Very
But
good.
if you select something here, then at an upcharge we can do it.
Okay, so that will involve a cost.
Yes.
Okay, so if you're shortlisting any article from Hakoba brand, so and if you're interested in getting it stitched, you will have to pay some additional charges for it.
Yes.
Okay, so it comes with an additional charge.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So आप लोग मतलब वो जो सिलाई करते हो, तो आप लोग मतलब मेजरमेंट कस्टमर देगा कि आप नॉर्मल 42 44 के हिसाब से करते हो?
We can do both ways. If someone is a little off size, then they can give their measurements.
Okay.
Or if they want a standard size, we'll give them our size chart and they can.
और एक
accept
बात, अगर समझो कहीं कहीं पर ऐसा पाया गया है कि अगर 42, 44, 38 साइज दे दिया तो उसके चार्जेस, स्टिचिंग चार्जेस कम होते हैं, लेकिन जो कस्टमाइज कराता है भाई हिप साइज इतना है, स्टमक इतना है, अंडर आर्म्स इतने हैं, या शोल्डर नेक लाइन ऐसा
No,
है
so
तो उसमें चार्जेस ज्यादा होते हैं, ऐसा तो कुछ
ऐसा,
नहीं है
पर
ना.
हमारे में ऐसा नहीं
सो
है.
इट्स लाइक यूनिफॉर्म अक्रॉस.
yes, yes,
ठीक है.
yes,
सो आई थिंक क्लैरिफाई करना बहुत जरूरी है.
yes. So this is the dupatta,
Good, good,
this
good.
is the kurta, and
Good.
these are the bottoms.
All right. Nice color, sea green color. Priced at?
This is priced at 1595.
Okay. Next.
Next is again a three-piece dress material,
Mm-hmm.
sequence
Peach color,
peach color with
border sequence all over,
Yeah.
and Hakoba. This is also Hakoba, na?
Yeah, yeah. This entire fabric is Hakoba.
Okay, okay. अच्छा मुझे लगा ये laces लगाई है.
No. This is the fabric itself
Hakoba. Good.
with a similar color pants,
Yeah. This is cotton voile.
cotton.
All right. Next.
So this is again priced at 1595.
1595. Again, this will have discounts, na? Vishal?
These might or might not, depending on the time your viewers are selecting, because these are very limited and off-the-shelf
Okay.
running items.
Okay, okay.
Always high on demand. So this is again a three-piece dress material
Mm-hmm.
with a chiffon dupatta
Okay. Good.
and similar price range at 1495. Comes with a
Wow, this fabric is too good, यार. एक मिनट ना, मस्त फैब्रिक है व्यूअर्स. ये वॉयल है ना ये भी, लेकिन वॉयल में भी क्वालिटी आती है.
Yeah.
ये अच्छा वॉयल है
Yes.
एक्चुअली. कोई कोई वॉयल क्या होता है ना व्यूअर्स, उसमें ना बोर आ जाते हैं, रुआं आ जाता है. इसमें तो नहीं आएगा ना?
नहीं.
ठीक है.
So in fact, one of our customers, she's a grandmother. She came. She like मेरा 20 साल पुराना लिया हुआ मटेरियल अब तक चल रहा है. मैं बोला तो हम सेल कैसे करेंगे आपको? She like I can pass this on to my granddaughter. I'm like no, you please send her here. So the fabric really goes on for really
वेरी गुड,
long.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो वॉयल अच्छा वॉयल है. गुड. ये देखिए हकोबा एंड दिस इज शिफॉन
Chiffon
दुपट्टा
dupatta.
हैविंग ऑल हकोबा वर्क. ठीक है.
And with an off-white bottom.
वेरी गुड. प्राइस एट?
This is again priced at 1295
ठीक है.
only.
नेक्स्ट.
We'll show you two together now. These are again cotton. One is blue and one is peach orangish.
Good. These are sarees or what?
Yeah, these are sarees.
These are sarees.
Sorry, forgot to mention. Now we're starting with sarees.
So they have sarees also. I think sarees are loved by so many people. ना हकोबा वाली. जब मैं चिकनकारी करता था तो व्यूअर्स उसमें ना साड़ी की बड़ी डिमांड आती थी. तो ये हकोबा वर्क की साड़ियां व्यूअर्स नॉट टू लीव, नॉट टू मिस. ये देखिए इस तरह का पूरा काम है एंड कॉटन वॉइल पे है. एक भी बोर नहीं आने वाला है कपड़े पे. ठीक है. ये रहा इसका लुक, बॉडी पार्ट. और इसका आंचल कैसा दिखेगा विशाल?
This is running exactly like
रनिंग
this only.
जैसा है वैसे ही रहेगा.
वैसे ही आएगा
ठीक है.
पूरा.
गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया साड़ी है यार ये सच में. व्यूअर्स आई थिंक आपको पसंद आना ही चाहिए क्योंकि कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है और एम्ब्रॉयडरी पूरा भरा हुआ है. कहीं भी स्पेस आउट नहीं है कहीं भी.
So this is priced at 1945 only.
ओके, वेरी गुड. और मार्च के अंदर लोगे तो
कितना मीटर है?
डिस्काउंट्स मिलेंगे
6.5
आपको.
6.5.
नेक्स्ट.
So we get 6.5 meters of running fabric for our sarees.
तो दैट विल इंक्लूड ब्लाउज आल्सो.
Blouse piece also,
अरे
yeah.
वाह क्या बात है. तो ब्लाउज के लिए भटकना ही नहीं है आपको.
हाँ, इसी में ब्लाउज अटैचमेंट भी है.
वेरी गुड. मड कलर है जैसा ये, डार्क पीच आई कैन बोल सकते हैं. ये देखो. गुड.
So this is again priced at 1945.
Again, this is a sari in pink color, baby pink color, full hakoba work. ठीक है. Priced at
1945.
1945. All right.
These are all from the same range.
ठीक है. Next.
ये कौन सा था इसका? We're just showing you different colors of the sarees.
Good. Good.
Again, priced at 1945.
ठीक है.
So this is a different material. It's called Taspa.
तास्पा. So
Yeah.
it's a blended one.
Yeah.
कॉटन के साथ क्या blend किया गया है?
No, this is Taspa only. This
Taspa.
is a little polyester is added,
Okay.
but it's again very light.
Hmm.
If you touch and see.
This is all Hakoba work. Huh?
हाँ,
तास्पा.
Taspa. So there's a gray and there's a nice blue color in this.
ठीक है. Price at
These both are priced at 1595.
1595. All right.
So these are again saris, chiffon fabric.
Chiffon.
Yeah.
Okay.
These 90s film heroines used to wear chiffon saris. So your viewers can.
So retro look चाहिए तो buy कीजिए ये. है ना?
You want me to open it?
Yeah. I think this will have some आंचल or is it running
No,
one?
it's running only.
It's
all-
running only. Okay, running fabric है. तो शिफॉन पे है व्यूअर्स और पूरा हकोबा वर्क है. ये देखिए. Priced at
1595.
1595. So same goes with this lemon yellow color. Even this is priced at 1595.
Yes.
And this is a very beautiful, very pretty color. Okay. Nice. Chiffon में. ठीक है. Next, what are you going to see?
So we'll show you some fabrics now.
Okay.
As you can see behind.
So there are so many, so much of variety I can say, viewers, in fabrics. These are all running Thanme fabrics. So if you're interested, so please buy. Whites में भी variety मिलेगी. आप बाहर से dye भी करा सकते हैं. These are whites are dyeable fabrics. All cotton, ना?
Yes. No, cotton, and we also have different other materials.
Okay. So some synthetic materials.
Synthetic material also we have. We have
Okay.
pure cottons also. we
Pure
have
cottons
Georgette
also, Georgettes also. So ये देखिए नीचे भी लाइन पूरी है. ये देखिए पूरी लाइन है यहाँ पे. तो आप देने लेने में भी बड़ा काम आते हैं ये कपड़े. गिफ्टिंग के लिए भी ले सकते हैं, खुद के लिए भी ले सकते हैं.
lot of sequence
है ना?
fabrics
lot
also.
of border sequence, lot of hakoba work, है ना? सेल्फ में ये देखिए, वेरी नाइस. सो देयर इज सो मच टू एक्सप्लोर. अगर आप मुंबई का हैं तो विजिट जरूर कीजिए व्यूअर्स. मैं बोलूंगा कि विजिट करने से क्या होगा, जो वीडियो में नहीं दिखाया गया वो भी आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा. तो क्या पता आपको वो भी पसंद आ जाए बहुत सारी चीजें, अपार्ट फ्रॉम व्हाट हैज बीन शोन इन द वीडियो. ये है ड्रेस मटेरियल और ये है कॉटन ना.
Yeah, this is pure premium
प्योर
cotton.
प्रीमियम कॉटन विद शिफली एंड और हकोबा वर्क, व्हाटएवर यू कैन से. ठीक है, ये देखिए.
So we have a few other colors.
What is the rate per meter?
So this is 545 per meter
545 per meter. ठीक है.
because this is premium cotton,
All right. ये कलर बहुत अच्छा है, येलो. वाओ.
and this comes with our like how Raymond's has
हाँ यार, हकोबा.
ये hakoba आता है हमारे fabric में.
www.hakoba.in.
That's our website.
Okay. So if you wish to visit their website, you may feel free to do so, and you can find articles over there also listed. So website buying is also allowed. So 545 rupees per meter. So these are the color options. I think ये तो हमने limited colors निकाले, और भी बहुत सारे colors मिलेंगे viewers आपको. ठीक है, ये है. और जेंट्स को अगर कुर्तास के लिए चाहिए तो वो भी ये इसमें से ले सकते हैं, या फिर इसमें से कुछ जो सी ग्रीन कलर है जो जेंट्स पे जाएगा, लेमन येलो कलर है ना, या ग्रे कलर या फिर ब्लू कलर बनवा सकते हैं जेंट्स. दीज आर ऑल यूनिसेक्स कलर्स व्यूअर्स.
So these are some styles for gents also.
Yeah.
Because it is geometric.
या ज्योमेट्रिकल, और लेडीज भी यूज कर सकती हैं एट द सेम टाइम. इट्स
Yes.
यूनिसेक्स एक्चुअली. सो ये क्या रुपए मीटर है विशाल?
This is 645 rupees per meter.
645 rupees per meter. Okay. Fine. And even this, no?
Yeah.
This is a very traditional design, no? Hakoba.
Yeah.
Very traditional. So look at this, viewers. Pure and pure cotton, viewers, and you will fall in love with the fabric and design when you get the product. Beautiful, beautiful. और इसका पन्ना भी चौड़ा लग रहा है.
Yeah. This is 48.
48 का पन्ना है ना. ठीक है. Good, good.
So
And-
summers के लिए ये type के fabrics
हाँ.
लोग ज़्यादा prefer करते हैं.
Yes. ये देखिए, समर्स के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. और स्टिचिंग करा के देंगे व्यूअर्स इन लोग एडिशनल कॉस्ट पे, तो फिर झंझट ही नहीं. आप टेलर के पास मत जाओ, यहाँ से सिला लो आप. ठीक है. All right. Then we have some fabrics in colors.
This is multi
multi
digital
wala,
print with
digital print
embroidery.
with Hakoba work. Price of this
This is at 395.
395 rupees per meter. Similarly,
Sorry, this is at 595.
595 because this is cotton, I think.
Yeah.
This is pure cotton, huh? ये देखिए. All right.
So I think you can
There's
just show it from here.
so much to explore actually, viewers, huh? So that's it. All right. So I think that was all at Hakoba, Ville Parle, Mumbai. Okay. So viewers, कैसा लगा एपिसोड बताइएगा जरूर. बाय कीजिए यहाँ से. सपोर्ट देम सो दैट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड और भी अच्छे अच्छे डिजाइन और पैटर्न्स लेके आए आपके लिए. ठीक है. और वी विल थैंक विशाल
Thank you.
for getting such a nice, exclusive Hakoba variety in sarees, 2 pieces, 3-piece suits, and cot sets, sarees, है ना, dress materials. तो बहुत कुछ है viewers. Thank you so much Vishal, and thank you viewers आपको भी for peacefully watching this video. So this is the first video of brand Hakoba, viewers. Please support them. Please buy from here and share your overall experience, buying experience on our YouTube wall. Okay.
Thank you, Dad.
So with this sweet note, we wind up. We'll catch up with you very soon in a new episode. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping. Thank you.